7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Welcome to Crafting with Kos. I'm Kos, and welcome back to Crafting with Kos. If you're already subscribed and you're riding with your girl. So I am super excited about this project today. Today I'm going to be doing an inexpensive modern coffee table using a lot of different materials that I found from all over the place. And so I'm going to be using a coffee table base that my mom actually found for me at Marshall's on the clearance section, because it's just the base and it was missing the actual top to the base. So I think she got it for about $10 to $15. And then I'm going to be also using this heavy orange vinyl fabric that I got from the fabric store, and I'm going to be using this to actually wrap around to cover the base of the coffee table, and that's going to add that little extra modern vibe to it, as well as give it texture, because I love some texture. And I'm not sure exactly how I'm going to successfully do that. I've been actually having this project sitting in my garage for a while, and I've been kind of hesitant to tackle it, but you know, 2018 is all about, well, at least for me, I guess, it's going to be all about taking on and trying to tackle challenges. So go ahead and comment down below and let me know how your 2018 is going so far, because I'm basically over here trying to brace myself. But anyway, I'm really excited about the coffee table. I also got this square of faux grass that I'm going to use basically is an insert inside of the coffee table, as well as I got a clear glass top replacement from Pier 1, which I think is the cheapest one that I could find that I googled. I meant to call Home Depot to ask if they cut glass, because I know they cut like mirrors and stuff like that, but I didn't even go through all those changes. I just went ahead and got the glass already pre-cut. And so if you want to go ahead, and we can go ahead and get started with this project. But before we get started, if you go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already subscribed, so that you can stay updated on dope DIY projects for the future. And let's go ahead and let's get right started. So I actually had to 86 the vinyl that I really wanted to use so bad, but I just couldn't get it to work. So I had to go to the store, get some more tile, and use a combination of different tiles.